Okay guys, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video for me, but I really love this drink and a lot of you have requested it off my Instagram, so I thought I would do it. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an iced caramel macchiato. So the first thing you'll need is espresso, a shot of espresso. I'm using my verismo espresso machine from Starbucks, and also from Starbucks I got caramel sauce and vanilla flavored syrup. You don't have to order it from Starbucks, but they do have a whole kit that this comes in for, I think under like $150. Also, you will need, I'm going to be using this as my espresso, and you also need some milk, some ice cubes, and a cup. Okay, so I like to start by putting the ice, actually take the straw off, but put some ice in your cup, because we are doing an iced caramel macchiato, and then I'm going to take a pod of espresso. Looks like that from Starbucks, and this machine is very simple. All you got to do, there's a little hole right there, you just line it up like that, and then make sure you put your little mug underneath. Sometimes if you don't have a little espresso shot, it's better just to put your mug like that. Close that in, and you're going to just do a shot of espresso, the nice little one. And while that's going, you don't need this anymore. You are going to start by filling up your cup with 4 pumps of vanilla syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to add about a cup of milk in, and you can measure it or eyeball, but I am terrible at eyeballing. So I'm going to measure a cup of milk and just pour that in, since a caramel macchiato is mostly milk. Pour that in, and you can add a little more if you like, which I might. And then you're going to take your shot of espresso, and you are going to slowly pour it in so that it keeps that separation like they do at Starbucks. It's nice and frothy and foamy. And pour it in ever so slowly, and try not to make a mess like I just did. It's a little harder to do this on camera than it is just in my own. Okay, so you get that nice separation, and then you're going to do 4 pumps of caramel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have a caramel macchiato. That's what it would look like, stir. And that is how you do a homemade iced caramel macchiato, just like Starbucks.